After entering your library card number and PIN, you will be greeted to the Mac desktop, which looks like this. The first area we are going to focus on is the dock, which is located at the bottom of the screen. The dock is a place where some of your apps will be located. If you are coming from a Windows environment, it's similar to the toolbar located at the bottom of the screen. It's important to note that the dock doesn't contain all apps, just your favorite or preferred apps. In addition to the row of apps, we have a folder section located to the right, which is some typical folders you may use, often like the Downloads folder. Next, we are going to look at the Finder icon, which is the first item located in the dock. The Finder is equivalent to the Windows File Explorer. When we open the Finder, we can see all the system folders available to us on the left-hand side. The right-hand side will show the individual files, and there are different views available for these files that are available to you by clicking the following icons. I'm going to close this window down now by clicking the red X icon in the top left area of the window. We will touch on these icons later on in the video. We are now going to click on the Launchpad icon. The Launchpad is where you will find a list of all your apps available to you rather than just the ones located in the dock. So if you don't see your app in the dock, it's probably in the Launchpad area. You can scroll up and down to continue to see which apps are available to you. To get out of the Launchpad area, you can just click in empty space or hit Escape. Next, we are going to talk about Mac Windows and how they work. When you launch an application with Mac, the options to close, minimize, and expand are located in the top left area. The yellow minimizes, red closes, and the green expands. A note: when you expand, it will fill the entire screen and you won't see your options on the top bar anymore. To get out of full screen mode, either hit Escape or move your mouse to the very top of the screen to see them again, like so. Next, we're going to look at where to find each Windows options. When you use an application in Mac, all the options for the apps appear at the top of the screen. You'll notice that they don't sit within the window. So when you switch apps, the top of the screen will now show that app's options. Resizing windows is done by using your mouse to drag the edges as you wish, like so. Next, we are going to touch on using USB sticks with the Mac. When you plug in a USB stick, it will appear on the desktop. You can access your contents by double-clicking it. It will also appear in the Finder menu, so you can drag and drop items into it. You can also drag and drop on the desktop as well. To eject a USB stick properly, right-click it and then hit Eject. If you need to copy and paste with the Mac, you can do so in a couple of ways. You can highlight text by holding down the mouse and dragging over text. Then right-click the mouse and select Copy. When you are ready to paste in an area, right-click again and select Paste. Finally, if you need to power down or restart your computer, you can click the top left Apple icon, and you will see all the options available to you.